Assalamualaikum everyone. A warm welcome to today's TED Talk review session. I'm Fakra Tehrin Challenge Wali, and today we are going to review one of the most important talks on leadership, motivation, communication, and purpose. How great leader inspire action by Simon Sinek. Before we begin, let me share a powerful quote by Simon Sinek that people don't buy what you do, they buy why you do it. This quote beautifully captures the central message of today's talk. Simon Sinek is a renowned leadership expert, author, motivational speaker. He is widely recognized for his ideas about leadership, purpose, motivation, and human behavior. He became particularly famous for introducing the concept of the golden circle and encouraging individuals and organizations to start with why. In his TED Talk, Sinek explores a simple but powerful question that why are some people and organizations more inspiring than others? Simon begins by explaining that many organizations communicate from the outside of the golden circle inward. What, how, why? But inspiring leaders and organizations communicate in the opposite directions. Why, how, and what? This is the heart of this his message. Why means our purpose, belief, or reason for doing something. It answers the question why do we exist and why does what we do matter? According to Sinek, people are more likely to connect with a purpose than simply with a product or service. How? How refers to the principles, methods, or actions through which we bring our purpose to life. It answers how do we do what we believe in? What? What refers to the actual products, services, activities, or results that we provide. It answers what do we actually do. Sinek's key message is that great leaders start with why, communicate their purpose clearly, and then explain how and what. One of the strongest part of this TED Talk is the real life examples Simon Sinek uses to support his idea. Sinek uses Apple to demonstrate how powerful purpose driven communication can be. Instead of simply saying, we make computers and phones, Apple communicates around ideas such as challenging the status quo and thinking differently. This creates an emotional connection with its audience. Sinek also discussed Martin Luther King as an example of a leader who inspired people through a powerful vision and belief. People did not follow him simply because of his position. They were inspired by the dream and purpose he communicated. The Wright brothers are presented as an example of people who were driven by a strong belief and purpose, even though they faced challenges and competition. These examples shows the inspiration often begin with a clear why. In my opinion, this tech talk is extremely valuable because it changes the way we think about leadership and success. Leadership is not simply about having a position, giving orders, or controlling others. True leadership is about having a clear vision and the ability to inspire people to believe in that vision. मुझे इस टॉक की सबसे खूबसूरत बात ये लगी कि साइमन साइनिक ने लीडरशिप को पर्पस के साथ कनेक्ट किया है। हम अक्सर अपनी ज़िंदगी में ये सोचते हैं कि व्हाट शुड आई डू या हाउ शुड आई डू इट, लेकिन साइनिक हमें एक ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल पूछने की दावत देते हैं, व्हाई एम आई डूइंग इट। ये सवाल हमारी मोटिवेशन, डायरेक्शन और डिसीजन मेकिंग को बेहतर बना। ये कॉन्सेप्ट सिर्फ बिजनेस या कॉरपोरेट लीडरशिप तक महदूद नहीं है, बल्कि हम इसे अपनी रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी में भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। जैसे टीचर सिर्फ लेसन डिलीवर नहीं करते, वो स्टूडेंट्स को पर्पस एंड इंस्पिरेशन दे सकते हैं। जैसे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को सिर्फ ये ना बताएं कि ये काम करो, बल्कि ये भी एक्सप्लेन करें कि ये क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट। एंटरप्रेन्योर्स अपने कस्टमर्स को सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट ना दिखाएं, बल्कि अपनी मिशन और पर्पस को भी कम्युनिकेट करें। स्टूडेंट्स अपने गोल के बारे में सिर्फ ये ना सोचें कि मुझे क्या हासिल करना है, बल्कि ये भी सोचें कि मैं ये क्यों हासिल करना चाहता हूँ। यानी अगर हमारा वाई स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड मीनिंगफुल हो तो चैलेंजेस के बावजूद आगे हमारा मोटिवेशन, आगे बढ़ने की मोटिवेशन ज़्यादा बरकरार रह सकती है। साइमन साइनिक की ये टेड टॉक हमें ये समझाती है कि लोग हमेशा सिर्फ व्हाट यू डू से मुतासिर नहीं होते, बल्कि वो इस बात से ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करते हैं कि व्हाई यू डू इट। Before ending the review, I would like everyone to reflect on one important question. What is my why? And how can my why inspires others? शायद हमें अपने हर सवाल का जवाब फ़ौरन ना मिले, लेकिन अगर हम अपने वाई को समझने की कोशिश करें तो हमारी डायरेक्शन ज़्यादा क्लियर हो सकती है। Thank you everyone for being a part of today's TED Talk review session, and a special thank you to Simon Sinek for sharing such a powerful perspective on leadership, purpose, and inspiration. Remember, start with why, lead with purpose, and inspire others to take action. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep discovering your purpose. Keep inspiring others. Thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz, and see you in our next AI and TED Talk session.